In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set an image as the background for a specific slide in your presentation. Whether you're looking to make your slide visually engaging or simply add a touch of personalization, these simple steps will guide you through the process smoothly. So, let's dive right in and transform your slide into a captivating visual experience. First, open your presentation file and navigate to the slide where you want your image to appear. Have a good look at this slide and think about the mood or effect you're aiming for. Whether it's enhancing a point you're making or setting a tone, your image choice matters. Once you've settled on the idea, move over to the menu bar at the top of your screen. You'll want to click on Slide, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Change Background. This is your gateway to customizing the appearance of your slide. Clicking on this option will open up the Background dialog box. This dialog box is key in helping you replace the plain look of your slide background with an image of your choice. Now, in this background box, you need to click the button that says Choose Image. Alternatively, you might see Upload Image. Both will work just fine. So it's all about what's available in your interface and how you prefer to proceed. By clicking this, you'll be given multiple options for image selection. These options could include uploading directly from your computer, choosing something from Google Drive, browsing through Google Photos, or even entering a URL if you have one for a specific image online. So wherever your desired image resides, this step has you covered. Once you've found that perfect image, go ahead and select it. Double-check that it's the right one and suitable for your purposes. You want it to enhance, not distract from, your presentation. With your image selected, it's time to seal the deal by clicking Done. This confirms your choice and applies it to the slide, replacing any existing background and giving your slide an instant and dramatic facelift. Now, when you look at your slide, you should see your chosen image beautifully filling the background. Take a moment to admire your work, ensure your text and other elements stand out, and, if needed, make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything is readable. And there you have it. Simple, right? You've just learned how to change a slide background to an image in your presentation. Use these steps whenever you need to bring life and context to your slides, and watch as your presentations become even more effective and engaging. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.